Hey y'all, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're gonna do some more venturing into Zhou Shen's world. So I've gained a lot of comment saying I should check out some more Zhou Shen. He's the best, and he's definitely the best person I've heard coming from China. So let's see what Zhou Shen have to say in this track. Peace.
一个是阆苑仙葩，一个是美玉无瑕。若说没情缘，今生偏又遇着他。情缘如何心事终须滚滚长江东逝水，浪花淘尽英雄。是非成败转头空。
Wow. Yo, this is incredible. At this point, he's not from this earth, bro. Like, yo, I do not know what to say. Yo, every time I've heard a Zhou Shen voice, like, I'm so speechless. I do not know how to describe this man's perfection. It's like he's a walking angel, bro. It's like there's no comparison. He's just 1 in 8 billion people. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
青山依旧在，几度夕阳红。白帆渔樵江渚上，观看秋月春风。一壶浊酒喜相逢，古今多少事都付笑谈中。
Wait. That's perfection. That's something incredible. I mean, like, this duet, it's perfect. It's giving the perfection of a perfect duet. Yo, this is massive, bro. This is massive. This is way too massive.
唐三藏跟着仨徒弟，
西天取经上大路，一走就是几万里。
什么魔法狠毒自有招数神奇，
他是一男蓝武器，是耳边之地。什么魔法狠毒自有招数神奇？
他是一男蓝武器，是耳边之地。
师徒四个斩妖除魔，同心合力，邪恶打破正义。
大河向东流啊，天上的星星参北斗啊，
参北斗啊，声色只教你挽救啊。
说走咱就走啊，你有我有全都有啊，
全都有啊，水里火里不回头啊。
路见不平一声吼啊，该出手时就出手啊，风风火火闯九州啊，
该出手时就出手啊，风风火火闯九州啊。
嘿呀一二呀，嘿嘿一二呀，
嘿呀，一二呀，嘿嘿一二呀。
路见不平
一声吼啊，
该出手时
就出手啊。
风风火火闯九州啊。
谢谢周深们，谢谢，谢谢大家。
Whoa, I do not know how the heck that was done. But if that's 3 other duet by Zhou Shen, which each individual participating with a different sound, that's a mastermind. That's something very smart. I mean, like, I've never seen that before, unless it's a thing where people would put into, let's say, a green screen then, right? But I've never seen something so perfect. And all those decoys, they are all Zhou Shen. And everyone is playing a vital role in singing. Wow. That's magnificent. That's magnificent. That was good. And thank you so much, Zhou Shen. I mean, like, I'm here to venture off into your music some more because your voice brings life. And if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like on this video. And you all can smash the subscribe button if you guys want more reaction by Zhou Shen. Always remember to pin them down in the comments and we'll be having a wonderful choice of what we should choose when to react to a Zhou Shen song. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in another video.